So if you're already creating content, already editing and posting it, but you're kind of stuck at like that mid-level to like, stage where you can't get really over that and get into the place that you want to be, well, this video is perfect for you because I'm going to show you exactly how I got over that problem and the substantial amount of growth that it has brought to my personal brands and my personal life. And if you're probably thinking like, why the fuck should I listen to this guy? Well, my name is Torsten Roscoe and I help short form content creators exactly like you streamline your entire editing workflow. So instead of you taking a full day to even an hour to edit your short form content, you grab my editing assets in the link in the description, and I guarantee by using my drag and drop system, your content will be edited in less than 10 minutes. And you get all your time freedom back because you're not wasting an entire day just to edit a single video. So they're a very no-brainer. So being in that creator stage for me felt like I was just doing enough not to fail, but not enough to get to the level I wanted to be. And I was honestly being not lazy, but I was so comfortable in that I didn't realize how to get to that stage. So you guys know me, I love quotes, and a quote I heard was, when Vikings landed on enemy shores, they burned their boats, no retreats, either win or die. And that quote completely exposed my mindset. It made me realize that I still had boats and I didn't burn them yet. So I was showing up wanting it, but not enough to burn all my boats, so I have no way to retreat and go back to my comfort life. So I burned my boats just like the Vikings did, and I started taking content more seriously and more like a business and a responsibility. No more coasting, no more waiting for motivation. This shit is going to bring me to where I want to be. So I have to take it seriously if I want to get where I want to be. So by doing that and taking stuff seriously, I've built a business. It's completely changed my life. It allowed me to quit my 9-to-5 job, and I have time freedom and so much more freedoms that normally a 20-year-old at my stage in life would never even ever experience until they're maybe even 40. And at that, majority of people don't even quit their jobs because they're too comfortable. So if you want to get out of this rut and if you want to be elite today, you need to start acting like an elite person and start taking this stuff actually seriously and burn your fucking boats, because I guarantee you, once you burn your boats and you realize there's no retreat, under that pressure, you will become someone that you never even thought would ever even be possible. And if you are sick and tired of wasting hours editing your short form content, go click this video right over here to teach you exactly how I edit my high quality short form videos in less than 3 minutes.